Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Collage Weekly Planner video. So this week we're on week 29. I hope y'all are doing well. And this is the actual Collage Weekly Planner by Margarete Miller. I will have her links below so you can go ahead and check it out. Okay, so this is how it works. Yeah, like I said, we're in week 29. She gives you the 5 prompts, okay? And then she gives you a bonus prompt. So if you don't have one of these prompts up here, you can simply replace it with the bonus prompt, or if you want to, you can use all 6 if you have all 6. Yeah, so let's see here. For week 29, it's something that starts with N. Now, I picked newspaper, and I might do something with this newspaper before I put it down. I'm not sure yet, and I don't know how I'm going to use it. I do believe, well, it's Asian, an Asian newspaper. So there's that, something that starts with an N. A piece of postcard either side. Okay, I'm going to choose this one, and I'm not going to use this side. I received this in Happy Mail. And I think I might use the whole thing, or I might just cut off the sides to fit the page. But yeah, I think I'm gonna pretty much, well, if I'm cutting off the sides, then I am using a piece of it, right? So a piece of coloring book page, that like kind of threw me for a loop because I'm not really, I don't know, like I don't have coloring pages. So I did have this though, which is a coloring page actually, but not my normal type of thing. A measurement of something. Now, what was I gonna use for that? Daggum. A daggum. Okay, you know what? I was gonna go the very simple, literal route and use washi tape, okay? A measurement of something, even if you wanna write it out. Something in a geometric shape besides rectangular. So I have this here. This to me is geometric shapes, diamonds and squares and circles and, you know, or semicircles or half circle, you know, whatever. So that's what I used for this. So I used this for the coloring book page and for the geometric shape. And yeah, you can do that too if you want, you know. And then something that represents summer. So of course, you know me and my colors. So I had to, oh, I'm gonna have to clean these off for reals, folks, for reals. All right, get off of there, jeez. Okay, I'm going to cut this pair of flip-flops out, and I'm doing like, I don't know what they call a kiss cut thing, because I do like the black and white stripes. And I'm cutting this one right on the corner because when I add it to my book, it is going to go on the corner, right? So using up just a bit of scrapbook paper I had in my stash, which is always good. And you can do the same thing with these too, you know, like this little umbrella drink, just cut it out and stick it on the edge of your page, you know. These sunglasses, or yeah, sunglasses, same deal, you know. So then you're just not wasting, you know, your scrap bits, you know. All right, so we're gonna cut this out as well. Now, right now, when you're watching this, hopefully I'm on vacation with my family and having a good time. All right, yeah, I like, you'll see what I'm gonna do with that, I think. I don't know. Okay, we'll put that over there. Now, for the newspaper part, oh, we'll put this over here and this and that up there. Okay, for the newspaper part, I think, let's see here. What I wanted to do, let's see which side we can work with here. I think I'm a fan of just tearing stuff. So we're just gonna tear this right like that. All right. And then this, I think I'm gonna put down just as the background. This, I think we're gonna do the old standby perhaps. I don't know. Let's see here. I think we might just layer it up, I think. Okay, but one of the things that I like doing is to, okay, that'll work. Crumple it up, right? Crumple it up. Oh, there's a flip-flop gone astray. Okay, we're gonna get my favorite color out, which of course is pink. And we're gonna edge it because there's pink in the flip-flops there. So we'll take this, and this is all I do to it. I think I like that, although it's gonna be covered, you know, so does it really make a difference? Not really. But there are just numbers on that page. And there are more characters on this page. So what I do is I take my archival ink, I have these little bitty ones, and I stretch the paper out, and then I just run this over the paper, okay? I run it directly over the paper, and what that does is the ink catches on all of like the wrinkles, you know, that you've just put in the paper. So I really like that effect, and it's fun besides. So, and it adds color to what would otherwise be black and white. Okay, so for this here, we're gonna use our tape runner. I don't have very much left in here, so we'll see how far we can get. Not very, because it's done. Okay, I have a new refill right here. Okay. And then we just go like this. And this, just for your information, is Dots Adhesive Tombow Mono. And I've told you in the last few videos, I'm just using a slight amount, you know. We'll see how it holds up in the coming years. I have no idea. Yeah, but I just don't want to waste, you know, a whole bunch of tape, especially putting down these, you know, these larger images. Now I could go through, why? I could go through and glue it as well, but I'm not going to. So I'm gonna take this and line it up, I do believe, on the side of this page. As best I can. Okay, silence please. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. So covered up the background. Sometimes I cover up the background like this one here from last week. Sometimes I don't. This book is mainly like vintage style, and that is not generally my style. So yeah, I just cover it up. And you can use whatever journal you want, by the way. It does not have to be this particular journal. You know, lots of people do this, you know, collage challenge, and they do it, in a regular journal, a handmade journal, a store-bought journal, you know, whatever journal they have, whatever journal they want to use. All right, we're gonna put this right here, about. Okay, so we'll smooth that down. Okay, I love that effect of the ink. Okay, so we're gonna turn this over, and with my very sticky, dirty scissors, we're gonna just trim that little bit off, okay? And we will trim this little bit off. Okay, so there we go. Very black and white, huh? Okay. All right, let's see here. Let's get you centered. All right. Now we're gonna use, this is gonna go twofold as well, I do believe. We're just gonna trim a little bit off there, I think. Let's see if it fits. Yes. And then, so that's gonna kind of go right there in the middle. And then I did want to put these like that, okay? Because, let's see what it says here. It says the bonus is something that represents summer. And I think, you know, this right here, this beautiful canal, the ocean perhaps, I'm not sure where it is, but that screams summer to me. You know, homes and businesses and whatnot right along the, you know, the basin or the canal or whatever. So, and I love how the flip-flops, which also represent summer, I like how the pink goes with this. I like how I kept the stripes on, so it goes with it, you know. So yeah, this is kind of a, I don't know, that kind of page, you know what I mean? So let's see, it's gonna, the tip of it's gonna go there. Let's see if I remember that. Now this one, since it is a little bit more thick, I am going to go ahead and put a whole line of tape on here. Whoops. Or more than one line of tape. Okay. And where was I going to put it? About there, I think. Yep. So that goes right on there like that. And then these I do believe I'm going to glue on. So we'll bring, oh, you know what else we need? Well, now we need the measurement, okay, which is fine. I will put that on. I'm going very simple and literal with that one because, yeah, I just am. Okay, this is going right along the edge there. So there we go with the cute little flip-flop. And then this is gonna go right next to it because this flip-flops, well, of course, flip-flops for me represent every day of the year. But to most people who have seasons where they live, it, you know, they do represent summer. And there is that with the little boats in the background and all that fun stuff. Okay. Now the measurement thing, I'm just, like I said, I'm taking the easy route and I'm just doing some, yeah, I'm just doing some washi tape. That's all there is to it, you know? And this is in black and white too, so the only real pops of color I have on here are, well, the larger ones are the, you know, the pink from the flip-flops and just the blue, you know. So we're just gonna do that real simply. It's just kind of there. All right, let's get our pen out and let's see where we are. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Okay, let's find our pen. I like that, I really do. That does represent summer to me, but anyway. Okay, something that starts with N. Yes, in the background was this Asian newspaper. And I just used my pink ink and smeared it across the wrinkles to give a nice pattern and a pop of color. So there's that. A piece of a postcard either side. So there's that. I'm not really sure where that is, but it looks beautiful and inviting. A piece of coloring book page, that's this in the background. A measurement of something, that's right here. The piece of washi tape. Something in a geometric shape besides rectangular. There you have it on there in the shape of like diamonds and circles and semicircles and all that. So yes, and then something that represents summer. Yes. So there you have it, right? And I mean, in fact, there are 6 prompts and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things on here because this I used, I believe, as 2 different things. Yep, geometric and coloring book. So there you have it. I like it. I enjoyed that page. And again, I oftentimes like the juxtaposition between the black and white and pops of color. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Don't forget to check the links below. Margarete Miller's link will be there, as well as the playlist link for my Collage Weekly Planner, all the pages, all the process pages, including flip through videos as well. So make sure you check that out. If you are so inclined, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get notified the next time a video comes out. And that's about it. So I hope you are having a great summer. Have a fabulous weekend, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.